Coming up on Mary Supet Show. Mary Supet Show, inspiring lives.
Wow. Leo tuko graduation ya sister yangu, dada yangu mzuri sana. One of Smala official. She's a co-founder of Smala also. And wow, how are you, mommy?
I'm very fine. I'm very excited.
How has the journey been?
The journey has been honestly tough, but God has been helping me. At a point I was almost giving up, like deferring some semester, but when you give up, you cannot be able to make at the end of the day. So I said, there's no, let me push it until where I can reach. And I thank God that He has enabled me to reach here.
You've said your name?
Yeah, no. Sorry for that. My name is Ruth simaloi from Mt.Kenya University, Indupa.
Indupa village?
Yes.
Indupa de Ingwa. Wow, so able talk to some girls there from home, maybe anaona itawezekana. Just tell them something.
First of all, one has to have a vision, because God works with vision. So if you realize your vision or you have a certain desire, that's the first step of achieving something great in life. Secondly is working on that vision no matter what. If you want to do something, either business or studies, just do it, but first pray about it, because of course challenges are there, but prayers give us the strength to move on even when we are weak, when we feel like we cannot go on. So every child there, every girl child there, because Mala mostly supports the girls, I encourage you, just have that vision. No matter the years that will pass, one day you'll sit down and say, I want you to be here, and God has brought you there.
So you have to decide what you want to be.
Exactly.
No one should.
No, everyone should decide what they want to be and what they want to do. And if someone is not sure, encourage them to have mentors or to ask someone who is in a capacity to encourage them and to guide them, so that they can be able to know what to do. But I can say education is, no matter how the country is right now, let's continue embracing education, because it also has its part, a big part. So I encourage ladies, those in primary, those who are high school, those who are in universities, let's grow as my lady. Let's take this mountain of education.
Why didn't you choose marriage after Form 4?
Because honestly, at that time, where I was coming from, we were not financially okay. And also, when I went to high school, I saw how people were exposed, and when we had visiting days, the parents of other kids used to come. They are well established. I was like, I would really love to also be established.
Wow.
Yes. So, and marriage is good, but it has its own timing. So when we do things at each and every time, at their right timing is the best. But when we rush things, we end up pulling ourselves behind.
Wow.
So I encourage people, go get your degree, go get your diploma, go get first your certificate, have your own papers, and then in God's time He will provide marriage, and it will be good when you go there when you have something, when you are financially okay. Even though you are not financially okay, but you have your papers, you'll be able to, at least you'll be able to support the family. But it will be so hard when our parents have struggled to raise us, to take us to school, and then we don't make them proud, or we don't finish their vision of us studying.
Wow.
Yes.
I'm so happy. What can you tell God?
To my God. To my God, I and my Creator, I'm so thankful you helped me. God
Yeah.
knows the tears.
Yeah.
God knows the pain. God knows the sacrifice. And I thank God for
The
it.
sleepless night.
Yes, the sleepless night.
Na ile
Honestly.
siku ulibiwa simu ukisoma. Do you remember that day?
I was going for a discussion at 9 p.m.
Uh-huh.
I had a cut the following day. And I just had to study that night. Unfortunately, I was in Nairobi and my phone got lost.
And you still did your exams.
I still did that paper and God blessed me with
And
doing
you-
that paper.
Wow, and you performed well.
Yes, the following day I cried. Yes, the phone has gone, but I had to sit for that paper. And
Wow. What can you tell your parents?
to my dear dad and mom, thank you so much for your support. They have really helped me. They encouraged me, they prayed for me, and to all parents out there, please pray for your kids. When they are going to school, sit them down and pray for them, because you know outside here, outside the world where it's not their home, they get into so much things. The devil is out there to snatch them, but the best thing a parent can give their kid, apart from education, is prayers. So I thank God because my parents prayed for me and encouraged me and supported me no matter what. And I just want to say to them a big thank you.
What can you tell other parents?
Other parents, kindly pray for your children first every day, every time, and also encourage them to study. If you see a child is weak in a certain area, don't like encourage them to be better people. And yes, provide the resources for them, let them go to school, encourage them to and support them to achieve their dreams.
Wow. What can you tell the smaller ladies?
To all smaller ladies.
Yeah.
We thank God. You know, Smala started immediately I finished Form 4. And he told me that I wanted to pursue a medical course. Unfortunately, at that time we had job. I was called for an environmental course. I wasn't comfortable with it, so I had to find my own ways to go and study medicine. And I thank God.
To find your own ways. That is really powerful. You had to find your own. Yani, this small girl from the village had to do something.
And I thank God. Because God provided through. I went to KMTC first. I did a medical course, that is medical laboratory sciences. Diploma, despite the grade I had, because of the passion, I just had to go and start with diploma.
Yeah, and you had an A minor?
I had a B+, but I just had to do a medical, because at that time I couldn't afford a bachelor's degree course, because the finances the school fee was high. So I had to go to KMTC because it was a bit manageable. And I thank God my vision of getting a degree in BMLS has come to pass.
So you got a job and you started reading?
I thank God because after KMTC, God blessed me with a job. I said instead of first just settling down, because at that time I still had this vision for me to do a degree. I immediately enrolled for a degree.
Wow.
So thank God I
That's
finished
so encouraging.
So I guess now I'm ready to get married.
Hey!
Yes.
Yeah, now you are ready because you have a job, you have a degree, 2 certificates in the house, an advanced diploma and a degree.
Yes. And
Wow.
I would like to advise all graduates and all children, when God bless you with your job, please remember your parents. Please remember your parents. Kuwarudishia mkono. Just make them proud. You can build them a house. You can set for them a business. At least by the time you are getting out of that place, they have seen the fruit.
Yeah.
And God is faithful. He can always be beside you at the same time.
Yeah, and you are a role model, a mentor to many. You've built your parents a house. Yani, this lady is just, she's just amazing. And yeah, and I know many people will follow your steps. The smaller ladies, the Kilonito girls.
Yes, the
Indupa
girls, please.
The Indupa girls. You know, even me, I'm from Indupa.
Oh, nice. So we thank God so much for that.
Yeah.
So what I can say, please let's know the timings of God in our lives. If it's time for education, study. If times to get married, go get married. If it's time to work and build yourself, do that.
Yeah.
God will be glorified. glorified in all our lifetime.
Yeah, yani people should put their priorities right.
Yes, exactly. That's the word.
Your final word.
My final word is just to thank God and I would love to see more girls from our community graduating. You know, today we were in graduation ground and we saw many Maasai.
Sure.
And we were so happy. So let's continue embracing education and embracing things that will make our community better.
Wow.
Thank you so much, Mary. She's my number one supporter, my prayer partner,
Yeah.
my encourager.
Yeah.
And please continue supporting her.
Wow, thank you so much, my dear sister Sima. She's my friend. Sijui hata I can say what. God bless you so much. You are a mentor to many. You are an inspirational and we really love you. Now, I'm just telling you congratulations. Go and conquer the world. Yeah, God bless you. If you want to share your story, call my number 0707 968 299. God bless you. Mary Supet Show, inspiring lives. And this is Dr. Ruth Simaloi.
I'm a scientist.
You are a scientist.
Yes.
So,
Medical lab, we deal with diagnosis.
so tutakuitaje?
I don't know, but anyone in a lab.
Hapana, si tutakuita tu
the doctor, but basically
you are a scientist.
Technologist, scientist.
Oh,
So
you are the people that the doctors refers to you to go and check if
to check which kind of disease in your body before you are prescribed medication.
Okay.
So we are so thankful. Actually, there are many courses in the medical field that actually I came to know when I didn't know them earlier. But I'll encourage the students who are finishing Form 4, before you enroll for a certain course, go to that school, check the various courses. Actually, there are better courses than even this one, but we thank God for this fact.
Yeah.
So, yeah, to those who are dreaming of being in a hospital and saving lives, you're welcome.
yeah.
Yeah, God will enable you.
Sure.
Yes,
We need more doctors from Maasai land.
exactly.
Yeah, like you sis.
Yes.
God bless you so much and thank you for being patient. Yeah, because I know it's not easy. Some people when they are done with Form 4, they go to they get married. Yeah, but you chose the right way. And you know, choices have consequences. Good consequences are these. Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Yes.
God bless you, Mary Supet Show, and we meet next time. Bye.
Mary Supet Show, inspiring lives.